In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CMS in Webflow. If you're new to Webflow, this content management system is a powerful feature that allows you to manage and display various kinds of content on your website dynamically. This tutorial will guide you through using the CMS effectively, ensuring you can make the most of your Webflow project. To begin, open your Webflow editor. If you're having trouble locating the CMS tool, you might not see it immediately in the left side panel. In this case, check the upper left corner of your screen. Once you've found the CMS, go ahead and click on it. This will open the CMS dashboard, a central hub where you'll handle all your content management tasks. First, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout. Understanding where everything is will make the process smoother. Once you feel comfortable, head over to the settings section. Here you can adjust various parameters to suit your project's needs. Enter the name for your collection and fill out any additional information that is required for your setup. After setting everything up, don't forget to save your collection by clicking on the appropriate button. Once saved, you can preview your work by clicking on the editor preview option. This feature shows you how your content will appear on your site, giving you a chance to make any necessary adjustments. Next, explore the different items within your collection. You may click on 3 items to view and edit their details. Remember, any changes you make should be saved by clicking on Save Changes. Additionally, compress any assets to optimize your site's performance. This step is crucial, especially if you have large media files. Always check if these settings are compatible with your site before proceeding. If everything checks out, click on the Compress button. Refreshing your page periodically throughout these steps can prevent data loss and ensure changes are applied. Dismiss any pop-up messages that might appear, especially those confirming your actions, to keep your workspace tidy. Once all adjustments are made, it's time to export your collection. The export feature allows you to have a version of your data that can be used externally or backed up. Choose Select Universal and apply any necessary filters to ensure you're exporting exactly what you need. Once filtered, share your work if you're collaborating with others. This feature makes it easy to work on projects with teammates seamlessly. Finally, if you want to dive deeper into using CMS, Webflow offers detailed tutorials and courses that can significantly enhance your understanding of dynamic content. Exploring these resources can elevate your skills and make your design process even more efficient. That's all for today's tutorial on using CMS in Webflow. Hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more confident handling your Webflow projects now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out those additional resources if you need more insights.